3D printing is used in many areas, from manufacturing to inside the classroom. But did you know that 3D printing is a unique employee perk? That's exactly what Ysoft learned when we placed our very own 3D printers in our offices around the world. Here are a few examples of how Ysofters use 3D printing and enjoy the benefits in the office and at home. Many Ysofters have young children, and creating projects together brings them closer.
I noticed my son Fanda playing in kindergarten with a toy garage, but he didn't have a car to park in the garage.
Together we designed one at home, and I brought the 3D model file into work to print. It only takes a few minutes to open a 3D file in D-Control, adjust the settings and send the file. Now I can go to any available Ysoft ED printer and start the printing. It's great that I can access the 3D printer with my ID badge.
Okay, it's printing and I'm off to a meeting.
ED has sent me an email. My model has finished printing.
Look at that! Fanda is going to love this. We will have some fun painting it too.
Ysofters around the world started printing without any formal training. From receptionists to marketing and many other departments, they started to print 3D models that they were passionate about. Ysoft has over 300 employees in 6 of its 15 offices. With our ED 3D printer, employees have their own account, and Ysoft gives each employee a virtual credit limit. The 3D printer is safe to use, and only the print job owner can access the finished model because of ED's locking doors and fully enclosed print chamber. With ED and the SafeQ 3D print management solution, a company can monitor and print reports on 3D print activity. Companies can even set up ED as a pay-to-print system. Regardless of the type of job an employee has, 3D printing sparks creative thinking, and it is a tangible employee perk that leads to greater job satisfaction. 3D printing with ED as an employee perk is a unique way to increase job satisfaction and employer branding.